Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you also don't forget to comment with and press the bell icon when I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. And you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the white color theme, the roof, the floor, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration. And this also very beautiful. You can see the lamp, you can see beautiful lamp and all, and the table black color. And this also you can see the bed and all, black color bed, the wall and the mirrors and all, very beautiful. And this also you can see the roof, the roof with white curtain roof, the lamps, the lights are going down, and the wall also wooden theme wall, the black color. And it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirrors, the lights, the roof, the floor and all, very beautiful decoration. It's looking very good. It's also very beautiful. You can see the bed, you can see color theme bed and all, very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all. And this also you can see it's also very beautiful decoration, the lights, the green color, this also the black color wall and all, the floor, the sides and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. This also you can see it's also very beautiful, the floor, you can see beautiful floor, you can see doing very good. And this also you can see this one you can see the roof, you can see the wall decoration, you can see beautiful decoration, it's looking very good. And this one the lights and all also. And this one also you can see the blue color theme bed and all, the floor, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration, very good. And this also you can see this in the lights and all. This also you can see the floor, the bed down lights, you can see very beautiful decoration, you can see very good also the floor and all, the lights and all, very beautiful decoration. And so also you can see very beautiful, you can see the lights and all, and the decoration and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see very good also. And this also you can see this also very beautiful decoration, the lights, the decoration and design and all, very beautiful, you can see the decoration and all, very good. This one on the floor, you can see the floor, the wall, black color wall and on the roof also, very beautiful decoration. And this one the lights and also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. I post my new video, the notification first. And wish you don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye. God bless you.